I've got some huge news about the Sweller Van Dweller channel. The channel began just over a year ago with van build videos, then quickly moved into sharing my personal lived van life experiences, and most recently into my experiences as I traveled to foreign countries for months to immerse myself in the cultures with nothing but my backpack. The channel has now grown to a size that this expanding focus is now doing more to hold the channel back than to help it reach the full audience of viewers that it could. But rest assured, I value each and every one of you who tune into the channel, and I enjoy making all of these types of content. So going forward, they will continue, but in a much better way. Going forward, this channel will focus on the no-build, minimum-build van conversion ideas that you've come to enjoy, as well as the lifestyle of living and traveling in a van. So for those of you who are primarily interested in that, you're in the right place, and you can expect a lot more of just that going forward. But Sweller, I like your van life vlogs and your videos about traveling in foreign countries. What's gonna happen to me? Well, strap yourself in, because Sweller Van Dweller is now going to have 2 brand new channels just for you. The first new channel has a working title of Sweller Van Dweller, a passport, $1, and it'll focus on my solo budget style of travel to foreign countries, immersing myself in the culture as much as possible. If I don't see any other tourists around, I know I'm on the right track. The second new channel, with a working title of Sweller Van Dweller, Life in a Tin Can, will focus on my personal lived van life experience. So far, the videos I've posted on this channel about that have focused more on the activities that I do rather than on the van. But going forward, one of my goals for new content I film is to bring more of a balance between these. Now, with the 2 new channels, there will be a short pause in any new content that I bring out as I transition the existing content from this channel over to them. This will give you a chance to catch up on any of the earlier videos that you may have missed. But once this transition is complete, expect lots of new content to begin flowing. I've linked to both new channels in this video's description, and they'll also be on the homepage under the Featured Channels section. I would be humbled if you would consider subscribing to one or both of the new channels if they perk your interest. And I look forward to sharing more of the world of Sweller Van Dweller with you all. See you soon.